we are welcome to another section of the WAEC Past Question 2024 Physics. We see here, an object projected at an angle to a level ground has a time of flight of 4 seconds. To move through still air, calculate the maximum height attained by the object. To be able to calculate the projectile of a body moving in air, flight t is always given as 2u sine theta all over g. And from the equation, time of flight, so time of flight t is equal to 4. So what do we now do? We now have that 2u sine theta all over g is equal to 4. And we know that gravity is always 10. So we can now put here 10 instead of writing the g here. We are progressing. Remember, if you divide this and this, we are going to be having 5. Because 2 into here is going to be giving us 5. So u sine theta will be equal to 20. If you multiply this and this, you have 40. 2 into this give us 2 into this will give us 20. You can try that later. Let's progress. We now know that the maximum height h is given as u square sine square theta all over 2g. Okay, so now squaring everything on our h here will now be equal to u sine theta square all over 2g. And this is the equation of the maximum height of a body. Now substituting this into this equation, putting all of this into this, we are going to be having h equal to u sine theta square all over 2g. Okay, substituting this equation 2, put 1 into 2. So we are going to be having h, from here is 20. I told you how we got 20. We're going to be h should be equal to 20 all squared, because it is squared here, all over 2 into 10. Gravity is given as 10. If you solve, you're going to have 400 all over 20, and we're going to be having 20 meters. So the height, the maximum height attained by the body is 20 meters. First of all, we know that the time of flight is given by this equation, and for the equation it is given by 4 seconds. Yeah, so we now put the time of flight into where we have t as 4 seconds, and then we now cross multiply 10 times 4. You now divide both sides by 2, you now get this answer. So do well to subscribe if you find it useful. The video very beneficial. Share to your friends. It will enable us to upload more videos. Thank you.